Hi, I'm Garjin, and today I'm doing a unboxing. This is Jet Silver, my dog, and I'm unboxing windscreen removal toolkit from Amazon. I got it. Only cost me £25, so pretty good. Back a bit, straighten up a bit, over a bit. So, quiet. It's just an unboxing video. I won't be trying it out on the car yet. Just wanted to see the quality of the items. Oh, this actually all feels quite heavy. This ain't light plastic. This is actually quite strong by the looks of it. Not sure how everything attaches, but we've got a C-clip or an E-clip on the bottom. And that pulls through to a wedge. So it can't pull through the handle. Handle's got a collet inside. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought. How sharp is it, this question? Oh, I reckon I could cut myself on that if I tried. I'd have to try, but that feels alright. The screw isn't quite long enough for the nylon lock to actually lock the thread. Slightly too short, so that'll probably come undone. That feels pretty robust. Knurling on the handle. Could have done better myself, but never mind. Well, we'll have to see how it tries. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Yeah. Don't really get the impression of the size. Actually, I'd say this is better than I presumed. So there's a hook handle. I don't think I've seen this tool used, so I'm not exactly sure how that works. But obviously that's a handle, and I guess scrapes on it. Now I did see these to force behind the windscreen to push the wire through. Actually quite robust. Yeah, that's quite a bit of force. It's not very soft stuff. And that, I wonder if that's like for popping out the pins or something. See, that's strong as well. Even though it's all you expect to be cheap. Actually, it doesn't feel too bad. Let's have a look at this wire and how's the ends on it and stuff. So that just seems like wire. I'll have to work out how you get the wire to lock in. So there's a hole through the bottom. There's a slit in the side where it can come out. So that's a loop. I'm not sure how that would lock in though. So that's one thing I'll have to find out. But that's not a bad kit at all, especially for 25 quid. And I guess having somebody to come out and remove a windscreen and then come back after you've done the work and put the windscreen back in, it cost a couple £100 private. Well, it did me a long time ago, 10, 20 years ago. So goodness gracious what it is. And for the sake of 25 quid, I know you're not going to put the windscreen back in with this because you haven't got the silicone gun. But you can hopefully get it out without breaking it. I shall be doing a video of me actually trying to use this kit. Never done it before, so that should be quite interesting. So please subscribe. Help me on my way to 1,000 subscribers, which will get me a payday. And that means I'll be able to buy more bits and bobs to unbox and talk about it. So have a good day.